Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'm going to explain to you why your vehicle displays this type of error that says AC off due to high engine temperature warning and what you should check before turning the air conditioner back on. So the very first thing that you need to understand here is that this isn't an AC fault. Your vehicle automatically switches the air conditioner off when the engine temperature becomes too high. So by disabling the AC compressor, the AC engine has less load and it can cool down more quickly. Instead of troubleshooting the AC, you need to simply look at the engine temperature gauge. If it's in the red zone or the higher than the normal, you can just simply pull over the safety and let the engine cool before opening the hood. Now, once the engine has cooled, you need to also check the overflow receiver. A low coolant level is one of the most common reasons this warning appears. Also, you can just simply inspect the obvious coolant leaks around the hoses and radiator and underneath the vehicle. Now, you need to also start the engine and watch the radiator cooling fan. If the fan doesn't turn on as the engine warms up, a faulty cooling fan motor, relay, or fuse or a temperature sensor may be causing the engine to overheat. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.